Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Here's how to hold a knife the right way and a few of our favorite basic knife skills. All right, before we start talking about knives, let's talk about cutting boards. We have a couple different types that we love to use. This one is a wooden cutting board, and you'll notice it has silicone feet. That's really important so that it doesn't slip. We also like to use plastic cutting boards. These are nice because you can throw them in the dishwasher. You'll notice they also have those non-stick feet so that they stick to the countertop, which is very important for safety. Now let's talk knives. This is our very favorite knife. It is a 7-inch chef's knife. It's very important to get a great sharp knife for your kitchen skills. You will find that it speeds up all of your prep. Now, when you're holding a knife, this is something that we see all the time. Do not put your finger on the blade of the knife when you're cutting. That is a dangerous way to hold the knife. Instead, you're gonna choke up right on the base of the knife, right here, and hold it very firmly. That will give you the full control that you need when you're using your knife. Now, to maintain your knives, it's important to keep them very sharp at all times. We like to get ours professionally sharpened, so ask around in your city to see where you can get them professionally sharpened. We also have a home knife sharpener that we like to use. You can find links to all of these items down below. The most important thing for your knives is that when you're done cutting, wash them in a sink with water and soap, dry them off completely, and then put them into a knife block or another storage item. Do not leave them in a drawer loose because that will make them dull and is also dangerous. And do not put this knife into the dishwasher. It will dull the blade right away. Make sure to always hand wash it. So once you've mastered where to hold your knife here at the base of the knife, you'll also need to master the motion. So this is a circular motion that you'll use when you're cutting. You use the end of the blade to help balance your knife. This is something that you can practice on your own without even cutting anything. Finally, a few terms that you will hear in our recipes when we talk about cutting vegetables: chopped, diced, and minced. So chopped is a little more irregular. It can just be a nice large dice of pieces. They don't all have to be the same. And now a dice is a little bit more uniform, usually about 1/4 inch pieces. You'll find us talking about dicing onions all the time. And then a mince is the very smallest. It's a very, very small dice. You'll hear us talk about mincing garlic and ginger all the time. That's it. That's all you need to know to get your knife skills up to par. If you would like to see how to cut all sorts of vegetables, head over to acouplecooks.com to see all of our knife skills videos.